Tired of the same old holiday trees? Naomi Home presents the Selena Christmas tree with withered branches. Give your home a unique touch with this beautifully artificial Christmas tree. Designed with a charming rustic flair, our tree features large pre-assembled LED lights that sparkle with a warm, festive glow. Embrace the beauty of the season with a tree that's as unique as your holiday spirit. Make this Christmas unforgettable with a tree that tells its own story. The Selena Christmas tree comes in various sizes such as 4.5 feet, 6.5 feet, 7.5 feet, and 9 feet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.